Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm going to try doing this. I don't know if it's going to work. So if you see me looking at my computer, it's because I'm looking up at my camera. It's upside down. I have to flip it and do all the things. But I wanted to check in and I wanted to show you my little dog because she won't let me do anything. Um, I've been sitting here drawing stencils and doing jewelry and resin and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I would come on and just check in with you guys and see how you guys are doing. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. This is all it's just this is crazy. I can't believe this. I don't understand it and I can't believe it. And we have no I mean you guys know you guys are watching the news. But what have you guys been doing creatively? I'm finding it a little bit hard to be creative, or at least be creative on online, I guess, on my channel. I've been doing stuff and I haven't been recording it because I just don't know if you guys really want to see it or not. I've been playing with some pouring and making backgrounds and just things I enjoy. And I hate to subject you guys to all that. Um, I haven't been feeling that well. I think I have a cold. I don't think it's corona. So if I'm a little, not getting on Facebook as much or whatever right away, right now, that's probably what it is. I just haven't been feeling that great, or sleeping great. And I think the stress isn't helping either. Looky, Luna, look, Luna. I wish you guys could see her little teeth. Mm, she's such a sweetheart. Emily has been at work. They're not open, but she has to go get like deliveries and package up there online and stuff like that. Her manager has been very, very sick. And so she's been going in quite a bit for a few hours a day. And I think she's off tomorrow. I think her manager is going to try and go in tomorrow and Friday, because she hasn't been in. And Emily's been doing it all. And, I think she's starting to finally feel a little bit better. So that'll be nice for Emily to be able to be home. I see that I'm way off here. Uh, what else? What else? What else? I don't know. Are you guys like caught up on like toilet paper and food and that kind of stuff? Did you guys, go crazy and buy when this all started? Or are you still like ordering, online? Amazon, you can't find anything. Everything's sold out till the middle of April. Um, so I've been just doing stuff around here. I've been cleaning and redoing my room, which I do all the time. I don't think I'm the only one out there. Am I the only one out there? Because I feel like I'm the only one out there sometimes. Just throwing stuff away and redoing and what am I using? What am I not? Just trying to get all the mess I have. I know you guys hate my desk when I record. So I'm trying to get that in a little bit better of shape. It's hard because I do a lot of things, so I have a lot of things sitting around, and it's I don't know, it gets hard, but I'm trying to get it a little bit better for you guys because I know you hate it. What else? I don't know. Been playing with a lot of alcohol ink, been loving it. Been doing a lot of resin, love it. Um, I haven't been out to the stores in weeks. I'm trying to think what else. I've been loving playing with the UV resin. Been loving doing my nails. Been loving what else have I been doing? Jewelry. Been pouring, which I don't pour a lot, acrylic pouring. Um, but I have been playing a little bit, just making backgrounds and just some other way to be creative, except I got to quit using all the dark colors because I love dark colors. And when I use the dark colors, everything mushes together and it's just a dark mess. So I might do a video today of me pouring with lighter colors. Folk Art has a new pouring set that I only have 3 colors of, but it's all mixed in the paint. So you don't have to do all the, mixing and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see what that does. Um, I might play with that a little bit. Been trying to go live, not having success. I did yesterday download, re-download, deleted and re-downloaded the app for the program on my computer. So I'm going to try and see if I can go live, maybe do pouring. I don't know. I don't know. Beverly sent me a really cool pouring kit that has all kinds of different things in it to play with. So that's exciting. So I've been kind of playing with that. well, haven't been cooking that much. Have you guys been like experimenting and cooking and doing like maybe things that you normally maybe wouldn't do or had to think out of the box for? We're just doing the same old thing here. We have to go. He's going to run out to the grocery store tomorrow. I can't do it. I can't go out. He's afraid that I'll get sick. I do have an RA appointment tomorrow, but they're going to do it over the phone, which is good. So I don't have to read. I'm like LL Cool J. And y'all know that. I don't know if you guys know who that is. And yeah, so I have my RA appointment tomorrow, which I'll do. They call it telecom or telephone or something. Not telephone. I know what that is. Tele something. So they'll call me and I'll talk to her and do that. That's just kind of my 3-month checkup, which nothing's really changed. I'm still on all the same medication and needles and all that kind of stuff. So that's good. And I guess I have to hold off on all my not my x-rays, my ultrasounds and MRIs and stuff like that till all this is done. I wish we would have more concrete. I guess they don't know because it just keeps spreading. I'm in New Jersey, so it's I have one case that's like a town over from me, and they go to all the same stores I go to. So I'm really nervous about that because I just don't want to get sick. And that's about it. I just wanted to check in. I could sit here and go on and on about, feelings and all those kind of things, but I think we're all feeling a little bit scared and a little mad and a little crazy and wanting to have some more information on it. Doesn't seem like we're getting a lot of information. And I know the holidays are coming. Like Emily's birthday just passed. My nephew's birthday's April. Oh God, I want to say 4th, 2nd, 4th. I'm so out of it today. And anyway, the beginning of April, and then Easter, and it's like, what do you do? Do you plan? Do you go out and plan? Is there anything to get to plan? I feel bad for all the workers out there, the grocery store, the post office, the delivery, and all the essentials. Like those poor people have to go out and be exposed to all this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, if you guys catch me live, I'd love it. I'd love it very much. I went live, like I said the other day, and I had like 20 people come on, and I'm like, I can't figure it out. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, there she is. Oh, she looks like the Family Guy dog when she's miserable, when she's tired. Her eyes get real. You can't really see. She's not into it. But yeah, this probably is going to be off scale and everything because of the way my camera is. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have nothing. I just wanted to say hello. Just wanted to say hello, see how you guys are doing. Go check out my husband's channel. He's been putting up painting videos, bless his heart. He's really, really enjoying it, and it's helping his depression a little bit. When you guys leave comments and stuff like that, he just loves it. So if nothing else, just do it for me to go and support him. Just on top of already suffering as many of you do with chronic illness and depression and whatnot, then all this on top of it, it's like, ugh, it's crazy. So that's it. I think that's all I have. I just want to say hi. How you guys doing? Stay safe. Be safe. I'm sending you guys so much love, and I just want everybody to be safe. I don't want to hear any more stories of people passing or being infected or anything like that. It's just so sad and so scary. So I don't know, but this is a great angle. How about that shiny forehead? Look at that. And that hair, girl. What you got going on there? That's called I woke up, pulled it back. I don't even know what the heck I got going on back there. But yeah, so that's it. That's it. Probably gonna do a pouring video. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this up. I guess we'll see. But as always, please be kind to each other. You never know if somebody else is fighting. Please let me know down below how you're doing. What are some of the things that you are doing around your place? Are you guys cleaning? Like, what are you guys doing to like pass the time that we're in quarantine? I know I asked on Facebook, and a lot of people are going through their Netflix. A lot of people are cleaning and spring cleaning and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to go through my kitchen cabinets, I think, today, too, and get rid of a lot of stuff just that we just don't use and need. I'm a hoarder. I'm not going to lie. I hoard. coffee cups and plates and plastic things and cream cheese containers. Am I the only one? Let me know down below what you hoard. I hoard cardboard. I hoard bubble wrap. I hoard, what did he have yesterday that he was like, I'm throwing it away? What the heck was it? Was it a cream cheese container? That, and then we had Chinese food like a couple weeks ago, and we had gotten takeout, and the containers were real nice. And he's like, "These will make good containers for something." And then I looked at him and I'm like, "Throw it in a bag, I'll save it." And he was like, "No, no, we got no more room," because I really don't. Things are falling out of closets. It's just getting yucky. And once it's cleaned out and I throw away, I'm fine. It's the process. But I gotta let go. I gotta let go. I gotta let it go. Can't sing it because then I get in trouble, but yeah, let me know down below like what you guys are doing and some suggestions. Netflix, oh my goodness. Tiger King, you must watch it. Tiger King on Netflix. It is bizarre. It is funny. Not funny in a like, ooh, I'm peeing my pants funny. It's just like, I don't even know. It's crazy, crazy in ways that my husband said to me, I didn't even know people lived like that. Because I was like, I'd like to live right in the middle of that. But it's like you get to see these tigers and all these kind of things, and it's not like violence against the tigers. It's just these people who have like 300 tigers and lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. And it's just a really good sit down. It goes fast. They're short. They're like half hour, I think, or something like that. To go through, and I think there's only 6. But yeah, watch it and let me know. And if you have watched it, let me know down below what you thought, because it was a little intense, a little crazy. We just finished the last episode of Broadchurch. There's 3 seasons of that. David Tennant's in it. That was good. What else have we watched on there? I'm obsessed with Survivor. I haven't watched Survivor in probably 5 years, maybe 5 seasons, something like that. And it's all the people coming back, like all the winners, and I'm obsessed. I love it. Watching that. Gosh, what else have we been watching? I've watched all Sabrina. I like that, even though, geez, Pizza, I can't think right now. That little boy, what was his name? Sigrid, if you're watching this, Sigrid, put it down below for, what was his name? Oh, I can't remember his name right now. Anyway, it's about a little boy who was held captive, and I want to say Fernandez, but I don't think that's his name. Anyway, it's on Netflix. It's everywhere. It's about that little boy, and it is horrific and hard to watch, but it is. We watched it. It's a shame. I can't believe people are out there like that. That's one that we watched recently, and that's why we started watching Tiger King, just to like get that. I'll remember the name when I get off here, but what else have we watched? Gee, I can't. I think Project Runway is coming back on Amazon. It's called something else, but I think that's coming on Amazon this week. Ozarks, the season 3 is starting Friday. I'm a Narcos freak, so we've watched every season of Narcos. I just finished that last season that they just put up. There's a series on Tom Hardy's in it. I know Tom Hardy's in it because my daughter's obsessed with Tom Hardy, which he's not hard to look at, but it's Thomas Shelby. Anybody know that one? Tom Hardy. I can't think of names right now. Thomas Shelby. I can just hear my daughter going around torturing us with the accent about the brothers and the aunt. Can't remember the name right now. If you can remember, put it down below. Otherwise, I'll try to remember for the next video, because it is good. It's a good series, and there's a bunch on there, and I think they're filming the next series right now. We've watched Witcher, which I enjoyed. We watched The Vampire on there, which was good. Yeah, that's about it. We've been reading, so that's about it. All right, guys, be kind to each other. You never know about somebody else is fighting. Go check out Dave's channel, please. I'll put it at the end. It's down below. I'd really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Please go and subscribe. It just means a lot to me. And leave comments if you can. You never know, because I keep telling them, I'm like, you know, same people leave the comments. Do like a giveaway. Do something where, you know, to show them that you appreciate it. So, and I'll probably have giveaways coming up because there's, you know, I'm cleaning my room. I got stuff I don't use, and instead of giving it, I give a lot to Salvation Army or Goodwill, but maybe I'll do a couple giveaways of some things that are easy to ship everywhere. And that's it. That's it. I'm going to be putting new stuff up on my Etsy and all those things. So that's all I got. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. The baby's, this is why I can't get anything done. Bye, guys. Oh, sorry, Loon.